Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. So today, I'm coming to you from the largest inland port in the United States of America. This waterway is 445 miles, and it starts in Tulsa and makes it all the way out to the ocean. And it blows my mind. Here's like a cool mural that I want to show you guys. You can see all of the companies behind me. The trucks are starting to come. But what's great about this inland port is what I want to talk to you about today.
Whether it's agricultural commodities, building materials, petroleum products, or machinery, the Tulsa Port of Catoosa provides a seamless transportation experience using a combination of barge, rail, and truck.
And it carries supplies all over the world. And I'm going to pull out some fun facts.
Located at the head of navigation for the McAllen-Kerr Arkansas River navigation system in northeast Oklahoma, the Port of Catoosa is one of the largest, most inland river ports in the United States. This allows goods to be shipped in and out of the port daily, making it an ideal hub for businesses in the region. There are over 70 companies located within the 2,000-acre industrial port at the Tulsa Port of Catoosa, and there are nearly 3,000 workers employed. The port offers land to lease within the Port Industrial Park, land for sale in the Riverview area, and retail space in the Port Plaza, which is located from the port's main entrance. And when I was there, the area is huge, so there is a lot of space to be occupied there. The Port of Catoosa is managed and operated by the City of Tulsa, which provides development services through Tulsa's Port of Catoosa Facilities Authority. Both are public entities charged with implementing the port's mission. The port's mission is to promote the long-term viability of the waterway and its ability to provide water transport, grow the employment and economic base of Northeast Oklahoma, optimize the region's barge and related rail and truck bulk freight patterns, and operate in a financially independent manner. So really, there is a lot going on in this area, and you can tell by the infrastructure that's also growing all the way around it in the surrounding cities. Since its opening in 1971, over 82 million tons of freight have passed through the port of Catoosa. I'm totally blown away by that. So in December of 2017, area business and government leaders celebrated as its 50,000th barge entered into the port. During a normal shipping year, over 1,000 barges will pass through this port. The Port of Catoosa is an economic development engine for the state of Oklahoma. Many of the businesses who have already made it their home, and many more are trying to make it their home, and the state of Oklahoma itself, the governor and just the surrounding mayors are trying to bring in a lot of new businesses into the state and into the area. So Oklahoma is a state rich of natural resources with a diverse economy that includes agriculture, energy, and aerospace. Each year, the state's economy is boosted by billions of dollars in revenue generated by these industries. But one industry in particular has a significant impact on the state's economy, and I bet you can't guess what it is, but it's tourism. According to a recent study, tourism brings in $300 million in economic impact to Oklahoma each year. This includes spending by visitors on lodging, food and beverage, transportation, and entertainment. Tourism also creates jobs for Oklahomans, with over 70,000 people employed in the industry. In addition to the direct economic impact, tourism also helps to showcase the state's unique culture and history and promotes Oklahoma as a destination for business and investment. So whether you're a resident or a visitor, it's clear that the annual economic impact of $300 million from tourism is a significant contributor to the growth and prosperity of Oklahoma.
And that makes us love Oklahoma just a little bit more, right? I mean, there are so many hidden gems when it comes to employers, when it comes to resources, when it comes to what is happening here, right? Like the economic development blows my mind, and I'm just constantly amazed. That is all that I wanted to chat with you about today. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any videos when we release new ones. So until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!